stop right here by Anna Maria Island, and the wind almost knocked me over. You can see the waves crashing against the rocks here. We're approaching a heavily flooded road, so I'm going to try to drive in the middle here. As we approach Bradenton Beach, there's a sign, street flooding, drive safely. Hardly any cars in the parking lot of Coquina Beach. And here in Bradenton Beach, there's been some flooding and some roads. I've seen overturned garbage cans, pieces and branches just fallen on the side of the road. We're approaching a flooded road right now.